Welcome back guys. So this is one of the very important video which I'm going to make today, and here in this video we will talk about different write-ups which we can generate by using the ChatGPT or any other large language models. Okay, as we have known that with the advent of the large language models, or specifically ChatGPT by OpenAI and Bard from the Google, what we have done, or what we have seen, is that the rising trend in the document or write-up generation from these models. Okay, but recently we have also seen that Turnitin, which is also the plagiarism check software, has been giving us the plagiarism which we have generated from the ChatGPT. Okay, so let us first generate a document and then check it from the Turnitin, that how can we get the plagiarism out of them and how to remove that plagiarism by phrasing it by different software. So you are going to see different softwares or different web-based applications in this video. We will talk about them later in this course, about each of them sequentially, but first let us first generate some document. So let me give it a prompt that generate summary for machine learning in cybersecurity. Okay, so let me give it this prompt, and we will see that after it what has been happening is that it is giving me a summary for the cybersecurity based machine learning. Okay, so it has been generating it. We can see that it is still busy. So now that it has generated all the write-up for me, what I can do here is that I can copy it from here, and what I can do, I can go here, and from here I can create a blank document. Okay, so after it, let me write here the summary. Okay, and let me make it a title. Okay, so after it, let me paste it here. So we can see that this is the overall document which we have. Okay, so what we can do, so let me for this demonstration, what I can do here is that let me remove some of the spaces. Okay, and let me use only this script, while let me delete it. So this is the script, let me save it. So saving it to the desktop, and summary underscore cybersecurity. Okay, so let me save it over here on the desktop. So it is saved now. Let me close it now, and we can see that it is now available here. Okay, so this is now available, cyber summary of the cybersecurity. So in order to check the plagiarism of it, what I can do, this is my account in the Turnitin, which is sponsored by the NWFP, University of Engineering and Technology, and I have generated a class here. So let me move inside of this class. I will also make a separate video for it, that how to check the plagiarism by using this Turnitin. So for this video, I'm not going to dive deep into all the step, but after it, what I can do, I can move inside this view. Okay, view, and then I have to submit a file in this class. Okay, so let me write the first name. So the first name is the first name. Okay, and the submission title is cyber security underscore summary. Okay, what I can do here is that in previous videos I have selected for this class, I have selected the option that the file you are submitting will not be added to any repository. Okay, so the file which I am going to add here will not be added to any repository. So I have to, there are three options for it to choose. So let me choose it from this computer. Okay, let me go to desktop, and here the document was summary. Okay, so let me upload it. So the document is now uploaded. Let me confirm it. Okay, so after confirming it, let me go to the inbox that what are the results it has generated. So it is still in the processing step. It is doesn't count the similarity now. So let me refresh this page. Okay, so it has found it out, and we can see that the similarity index is 25%. This is the document. So let me click over it, and after clicking over it, we will see a separate window popping out. So this is a window, and here we have this document. So it is now loading it. Okay, so it can also show us all the sources. So let me click over here, and we can see all the sources. So these are the sources which has here, and from it we can see all the steps which it has done. So showing me that 100% similarity of AI based content has been found. So let me click over it, and after clicking over it, what will happen, another web page will be opened. And here in this first doc, what we will see that what is the AI based application which has given me this 100% similarity index. So this is the 100% all the text which I have generated previously from this ChatGPT. Okay, so it has been showing me that all the thing which is now covered is from this ChatGPT. Okay, so what I have to do, let me close it, this ChatGPT, and after seeing it, how can, the question is how can I remove it? How do I have to remove this AI based content, because others can be removed very easily just by clicking over them and then seeing that what are the options here. But here I have some AI based content, then how can I rephrase them? For it, I'm going to use another important tool here, and that is the Quillbot. Okay, so let me move to the Quillbot. Okay, let me close it, and let me now open my document here. After my document here, so let me first copy the paragraph which is here, and let me paste it here. So let me paste it here, so I can see that the machine learning plays a crucial role in cyber security and so on. This is the text which has been generated from the ChatGPT. Okay, so I have selected here standard. You can also select fluency, standard, other different options which are available in the premium version. I'm not going to talk about them, but here you have to sign in as well. I have an account here, so therefore I am signed in here. Okay, so these are the values which are rephrased. Let me copy them and then writing them here as well. Okay, so behavior, analyze, recognize, behavior, recognize, and so on. Let me save it. It has been saved. Okay, so now after saving it, let me submit it, and this is the third doc, cyber. Okay, let me choose it from there, and summary underscore cyber security, upload it, confirm it, go to the inbox, and this is the third document which is in process. So now you can see that this is the third document and the plagiarism has been reduced to 6%. So let me click over it, and this will be loaded here as well. Okay, so this is the option. Let me close it. So the document has been loading. Okay, so after loading it, what I will do, I will click over the similarity tools. So now let me click over the similarity tools. Okay, so now you can see that similarity has been reduced while this AI is still giving me 100%, okay, which has been loaded. And you can see that the overall these paragraphs are the paragraphs which are generated from the ChatGPT and then from the Quillbot as well, but it is showing me the overall text is the computer or the artificial intelligence generated, or the rephrasing has been done by the artificial intelligence as well. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to rephrase all of these things by yourself, because this Quillbot also uses the artificial intelligence to rephrase your write up. So therefore what you have to do after phrasing it, you have to make some other changes by yourself as well to make them not recognizable for the Turnitin or other plagiarism documents. Okay, so in this lecture what I have shown you guys is that how to generate different cover letters or different write-ups by using the ChatGPT and rephrasing them from the Quillbot and then checking the Turnitin based plagiarism results. Okay, so I think it's enough for today and it will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much.